Hi there! Check out the Maomo Premium Double Coat Drying Rack that offers efficient, space-saving drying with no installation needed. This rack features 2 tiers and 33 heavy-duty rods, holding 3 times more clothes than single-layer racks, perfect for large families or Airbnb hosts. It unfolds instantly without any tools or assembly, making it ideal for renters and dorm living. The rust-resistant steel frame ensures durability against indoor humidity and outdoor elements like patios, balconies, or camping trips. When not in use, it collapses to just 4 inches thick for easy storage behind doors or in closets. Plus, it comes with bonus sock clips to securely dry delicate items without clothespins. Experience convenience, durability, and maximum drying capacity all in one smart design. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.